DK fan will vibe. Watch for yourself, don't let nobody tell you no lie. New videos gon' keep dropping. New videos gon' keep dropping.
Yeah, DK fan will vibe. Welcome if you new, smash that like, but hold up, wait, don't go nowhere, might as well stay tuned.
The videos gon' keep dropping. The videos gon' keep dropping. DK fam, y'all know it ain't no stopping.
And DK fan will vibe. Oh, welcome if you new, smash that like button and subscribe. DK fan will vibe. Oh, welcome if you new, better stay tuned, smash that like button and subscribe.
Whoa, we finna start the video. Right. Alright, we finna say it. 1, 2. Come on, you ready? One. Make sure that camera waterproof. Is it waterproof? Oh, snap. We finna start it. Come on, let me get in here. She's snatching me. What's up, DK fam? We finna go to the lake, y'all, cause it's raining. And we finna see how the lake flooded.
Yeah, I want to see if it's flooding too, guys. I guess we'll see y'all when we get there.
Yeah. Cause I want to see it.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we headed to see if the lake is flooded. And me personally, the first time I ever seen this, I was so scared. It felt like I was riding into the lake, like, for real. Key straight. Dad driving. Okay, we're going to see the lake. You don't want to see it? You don't want to see the lake?
Like it feels like I'm forgetting.
Huh?
Not really bad. It's actually.
We're going to go see it.
I feel like taking out my book bag, checking in my book.
Y'all ready back there, girls?
Yep. Yeah. We finna ride into the lake, y'all.
We finna what?
Ride into the lake.
I don't know about riding into it. I ain't riding into it now. We finna go.
Yes, y'all is. It's comfortable to ride to that lake.
Girl, but too well because it's raining and the windows are like foggy. Alright, we getting close. I don't know how close though, guys. So they go to the lake. Oh, yeah. There's the lake, you guys. I don't know if y'all can see it. I can't see too well. That going fast. It's hiding behind the houses. Could let that one up back up. You can let it back up till we get to the lake.
Oh no!
Keep straight. It is cold, baby. It's cold, darling.
Mama, so if I rich my life,
alright.
Dad, say when you're kid, would you love me?
Yeah, yeah. There's the lake, you guys.
It's gonna flood. Y'all be had these windows up. Might not be that deep.
Yeah, it ain't raining as heavy as I thought it was.
Oh man, you probably.
Nah, it ain't that heavy. Oh, look at that car. Oh, it's wet though. Look how slow they ride. Oh man, it's a lot of water now. Well guys, it wasn't that deep, but it was still real wet out there. I don't know if y'all can see that good with my camera. And this camera ain't waterproof, so I can't get y'all no closer. Yeah, there it goes.
Look at the center.
Alright, they all in front. It's so pretty. I love the water, you guys. Skate.
I can barely even see out either of these windows.
I'm sure they got off the boat.
Yeah, I bet you I can't even see through the top.
What you said? Alright, you guys. Well, that was all. Jesus.
Hey, oh, they don't want to see you guys look like that.
Girl, shut up. Well, anyway, guys, that was our late ride. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace out.